everyone, hello YouTube. This is some Excel tips. Hopefully I can do it in 1 minute to introduce you to some features of Excel. So let's say you have a list, and you have this list of first and last names and some random people with some random hobbies. And you want to sort them out by their hobbies. Some people like brushing teeth, some people like basketball, some people like cooking. And for two special people, one Harry Truthman, they love dropping truth bombs, and Isaac Newton likes to get knocked by apples. So how do you select? So I'm going to use my arrow keys, moving around, and press Ctrl Shift up, Ctrl Shift right to select all the highlighted cells. So it will jump straight to the last cell, which has data, as you press Ctrl Shift, and then you just select your data on your top column and press Filter. So if you want a brushing teeth one, you deselect all and you select brushing teeth, and there you go. That's how you do it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.